single step, case 1, case 2, case 3. So it is, if the question is, no need to solve it. If anybody asks the proof also, you can say mod x plus mod y plus mod z equivalent to 12. Answer is 4 into 12 square plus 2. This is nothing but 4 into 144 plus 2. Answer is nothing but 578. 578. I hope the idea it is clear. If the question is mod x plus mod y plus mod z less than or equivalent to 4, it is nothing but 4, 3, 2, 1 and it is 0. So it is nothing but 4 into 4 square plus 2. This is nothing but 4 into 3 square plus 2. This is nothing but 4 into 2 square plus 2. This is nothing but 4 into 1 square plus 2. And it is 1. Idea is clear, right? Add all of this, you will get the answer. I hope you understood these advanced problem, solving it sequentially, then writing down directly. What is the shortcut? Shortcut is 4 into p square plus 2. 4 into p square plus 2. If the equation is of the form mod x plus mod y plus mod z equivalent to p, mod x plus mod y plus mod z equivalent to p, then the answer is 4 into p square plus 2. I hope the idea it is clear. Everybody kindly reply in the live chat if the idea is clear. Mod x plus mod y plus mod z plus w equivalent to k. I don't need to solve. The student who have understood the algorithm, right, step by step process behind the solving, you can easily solve. Write all variables 0. All variables 0. One variable 0. Two variables it is 0. 3 variables it is 0. None of the variables it is 0. None of the variables it is 0. This case is not possible. So there are 4 cases. This is case 1, this is case 2, and it is case 3, and it is case 4. It will become a lot of enumeration problem. So directly it is 8k by 3 into k square plus 2. 8k by 3 into k square plus 2. I hope it is clear. Only when you understand this, you will understand the multinomial theorem, sir. You will understand the multinomial theorem. Modulus question, 3 shortcuts for a lengthy questions. I hope it is clear. Next one. Now see here. Now we are going to discuss multinomial theorem. Multinomial theorem helps us in finding the coefficient of x power n, or it can also help us in finding the number of distinct terms. Number of distinct terms. These all mathematical language, sir. I will make it in a very logical way for you to understand. These are all mathematical languages. Forget about mathematical languages. Forget about mathematical languages. Let me go and solve one by one question. Find the total number of, now from here onwards, right, NCR, a power x, b power y, c power z, d power w. What I will do is, NCR from now onwards, I will call it as k. So, what will be the generic, directly what will be the answer? We have already discussed. 14, 4 variables are there. 14 plus 4, 18. Answer is 17C3. Directly 5 seconds you will get. Answer is 17C3. In case if you want the approach, sum of the powers should be equivalent to the power of the given question. A power can also take 0. A power can also take 0. If it is taking 0, 14 plus 4, 18. 18 is nothing but 17C3. Number of distinct terms. I hope the idea it is clear. Second one. Find the number of distinct terms. 20 plus 3, 23, 22C2. This is a cat original question, sir. This is a cat original question. 22C2. NC2 is nothing but n into n minus 1 by 2. 22 into 21 by 2, which is nothing but 231. Which is nothing but 231. Directly, or in case if you want, the generic term is given by k into, k is NCR beta. A power x, b power y, c power z. X plus y plus z is nothing but 20. Powers can also take 0. X greater than or equivalent to 0, y 0, z 0. 20 plus 3 is 23. Answer is 22C2. You don't need to do all these. Directly you can do the answer. This is level 1. Now level 2. Find the coefficient of a power 4, b power 2, c power 3, d power 5. First thing, sum of the powers in the coefficient asked should be equivalent to the power of the expansion. This is a mandatory condition. That is what we did it. Sum of the powers in the coefficient asked should be equivalent to power of the expansion. For example, x plus y power 3. It is nothing but x cube y power 0. 3c1 x square y power 1. 3c2 x power 1 y power 2, 3c3, it is y power 3. Now, what is the significance of these 3c0? Out of 3, I am selecting no power of y. So, it is y power 0. Out of 3 powers, I am selecting 1 power of y. It is y power 1. Out of 3, I am selecting 2 powers of y. It is y square. So, obviously, sum of the power should be equivalent to 3. It is x power 1. Out of 3, I am selecting 3 power of 3. Am I right? So, what you do is, you go step by step. You go step by step. Now, see. First, I require 14 a power 4. Out of 14, I will select power of a as 4. I hope it is clear. Out of 14, that means it is nothing but a power 4. A power 4. Out of 14, I selected right 4 powers and I gave it to a. Remaining is 10. Out of 10, I will select 2 powers of b because I want b square. Out of 14, I selected 4 and I gave it to a. Remaining 10, I took 2 powers and I gave it to b. Remaining 8, I will take 3 powers and I will give it to c. I hope it is clear. Right? Now, out of remaining 5, I will select 5 and I will give it to d. Answer is nothing but 14c4 into a power 4 into 10c2. This example, if it is clear, it will be clear. Out of 3, I am not selecting any powers of 5. So, y power 0. Out of 3, I am selecting 1 power of 5. So, it is y power 1. Out of 14, I am selecting right 4 powers and I am giving it to a. Remaining out of 14, I selected 4. Remaining is 10. Out of 10, I am selecting 2 and I am giving it to b square. Out of 8, I am selecting 3 and I am giving. So, these nothing but what I did, these method 1. These method 1. Out of 14, I selected 4. Remaining 10, I selected 2. How am I selecting? Depending upon the powers. Out of 8, I am selecting 3. Out of 5, I am selecting 5. Remaining is a power 4, b square, d power 5. 14 factorial is 14 factorial. NCR is nothing but n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial by 10 factorial into 14 factorial. 10 factorial by 8 factorial into 2 factorial, 8 factorial by 5 factorial into 3 factorial, 5C 5 is 1, 10 10 out, 8 8 out, 8 8 out. So what is the answer? 10 factorial, 14 factorial divided by 4 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 5 factorial. 14 factorial divided by 4 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial and 5 factorial. These mathematical way of looking at the question. Now see, very logically we will solve the question. 14 factorial by 4 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial and 5 factorial. Selection, I hope it is clear. Method 2. In how many ways can you arrange the letters of the word Leela, which is my mother's name? In how many ways can you arrange these letters of the word in Leela? Total there are 5 letters are there. So 5 factorial. L is repeated 2 times, 5C2. E is repeated 2 times. A is not repeated. In how many times can I arrange the letters of the word? It is 5 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial. Now, same thing. A plus B plus C plus D power 14. Power 14 is nothing but A plus B plus C plus D. A plus B plus C plus D multiplied 14 times and so on up to A plus B plus C plus D. It is 14 times. A power 4. I will select A. I will select B. If I multiply, I will get A power 4 B square. C. D. Is it clear? From here, I will select A, from here A, from here and everything. Now, once you understand Leela example, it will be clear. Totally, how many it is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 9 plus D, 5. So, total these 14 letters can be arranged in 14 factorial. A can be arranged in 4 factorial. B can be arranged in 2 factorial. C can be arranged in 3 factorial. D can be arranged in 5 factorial. Idea is clear, right? Leela, it is nothing but 5 letters are there. 5 factorial by E is repeated twice. 2 factorial, 2 factorial. L is repeated twice. So 2 factorial. A is only once. 1 factorial, it is 1. A plus B plus C plus D power 14. These can be jumbled together. I can take B here. So, total arrangement is nothing but 14 factorial by 4 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial and 5 factorial. Either you can do a selection process or you can do this arrangement process. I hope it is clear. Find the coefficient of A power 5, B power 6, C power 9. Listen carefully. 5 plus 6 plus 9. It should be equivalent to some degree that is present. So, it is nothing but, for once more time I am explaining, A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C. Total 20 times I am multiplying. I want A 5 times. I want B 6 times. I want C 9 times. So, total 20 letters can be arranged in 20 factorial by 5 factorial into 6 factorial into 9 factorial. If anybody wants to know how you got this one, from 20 first I selected 5. I got A power 5. This is over. Remaining is 15. From 15 I selected 6. B power 6, it is over. Remaining 9, I selected 9, which is C power 9. Kindly reply in the live chat how you are determining the coefficients of this in this expansion. Kindly reply in the live chat if it is clear to you. It should be 110% clear to you with crystal clear clarity. I hope it is clear. Right. Now, suppose if the question is a power 4, b power 8, c power 8. What will be the answer? 20 factorial by 4 factorial, 8 factorial, 8 factorial. If it is of the form a power 6, b power 8, c power 3. What is the sum? 7 plus 8 plus 3, which is 18. It is not equivalent to 20. So there is no term possible with this. There is no term which is of this form. I hope it is clear. Every single key point is extremely clear to you. Level 2 kind of question. Level 1 is a number of distinct terms. Level 2. I hope it is clear. Now read the mathematical definition. Now please see the mathematical definition. See the last one. Coefficient of, suppose we did a power 4, b power 5 and c power 11 in a plus b plus c power 20. He is telling according to multinomial theorem, it is 20 factorial by 4 factorial, 5 factorial, 11 factorial. Theorem is also proved. Theorem is also proved. I hope it is clear. This mathematical definition, it is clear. Here also, number of distinct or dissimilar terms in the multinomial. A1 plus A2 till m. So power is n. If 3 are there, it is n plus 3. If m are there, it is n plus m. N plus m balls are kept. How many gaps are there? N plus m minus 1, c m minus 1. This proof is also clear. I hope it is clear. So x plus y whole square, it is nothing but x square y power 0 plus 2c1 x power y power 1 plus y square x power 0. How the NC1, NC2 it is there. You don't need to by heart any theorem, sir. If you understand the why behind the concept, every statement in the multinomial theorem will be crystal clear to you. Please go through the theorem for 5 seconds. Every point will be clear to you. How you got this one? You don't need to by heart this formula. You don't need to by heart this formula. You don't need to by heart this formula. That is the beauty of Anil Nair's way of teaching. You yourself can derive the formula once you understand the logic behind the formula. Idea clear? Next one. Multinomial theorem. I hope the concept is clear. Now level 3. Level 3. Find the number of terms in the expansion. Number of terms is nothing but k into x power a into minus 2y power b into 3z power c. It is the generic term. It is the generic term. Sum, it is nothing but k into minus 2 power b into 3 power c into x power a, y power b, z power c. Sum of the powers should be equivalent to the right degree that is given in the question. It is nothing but 45. A plus b plus c, it is nothing but 45. So if it is n, if there are 3 variables, n plus 3 balls are there. How many gaps will be there? N plus 2. N plus 2 C2 equivalent to 45. Substitute the answer. 1, 7. 7 plus 2 is 9 C2, which is 9 into 8 by 2, which is 36. Not possible. 8 plus 2, it is 10 C2, which is 10 into 9 by 2, which is 45. Second option is right. Please, I hope it is clear why it is n plus 2 C2. N are there are 3 variables. So n plus 3. N plus 3 balls are kept in a line. There are n plus 2 gaps are there. If 2 variables are there, I need 1 cut. If 3 variables are there, I need 2 cuts. N plus 2 C2. If n is 8, 8 plus 2 10. 10 C2 is 10 into 9 by 2, which is 45. A simple question where the answer is given and the power you have to determine. Another beautiful question, sir. From now onwards, all the questions are level 3 questions. All the questions are level 3 questions. Listen carefully. Solution. Step number 1. Step number 1. A plus B plus C power 8. A plus B plus C power 8. So the total number of distinct terms, the total number of distinct terms will be 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 means there will be 10 gaps. 10C2 is 10 into 9 by 2, which is 45. Step number 2. A plus B minus C power 8. A plus B minus C power 8. The generic term will be K into A power X into B power Y into minus C power Z. This is nothing but K into minus 1 power Z into A power X into B power Y into C power Z. Anyway, the sum should be equivalent to 8. So X plus Y plus Z equivalent to 8. But there is a minus sign. Minus C is there. So that means Z has to be an odd number. Am I right? If the Z is an even number, it would have become minus 1 square is 1. It would have become A plus B plus C power 8. Because it is minus C, minus Z should be an odd number. That is the only change. Odd number is of the form 2k plus 1. X plus Y plus 2k plus 1 equivalent to 8. I hope it is clear. So X plus Y is nothing but 7 minus 2k. 7 minus 2k. I hope it is clear, right? So k can be 0. K can be 1. I hope it is clear. 2k plus 1. It is an odd number. Odd number, the starting number is 1. So next number is 3. Next number is 5. Next number is 7. K can take 0, 1, 2, 3. I hope it is clear. I will do it in the next slide. Here the number of terms are 10C2, which is 45 terms are there. Here we are discussing it as K into minus 1 power Z into A power X, B power Y, C power Z. So X plus Y plus Z is nothing but 8. Z is nothing but an odd number. If Z is, why it is an odd number? Because it is A plus B minus C. If Z is even, minus 1 square will become even. X plus Y plus 2k plus 1 equivalent to 8. X plus Y equivalent to 7 minus 2k. 7 minus 2k. If k is 0, x plus y equivalent to 7. X and y can take 0. 7 plus 2, it is 9. So it is 8C1. 8 values I got. I hope it is clear, right? X and y can take 0, right? 7 plus 2, 9. 9 balls are there. There will be 8 gaps. K is 1. If it is k is 1, x plus y equivalent to 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 will be 6C1. It is 6. K is 2. X plus y, it is nothing but 3. 3 plus 2, 5. It is nothing but 4C1, which is 4. K is 3. X plus y is nothing but, which is nothing but 1. 1 plus 2, 3, which is nothing but 2C1, which is 2. All this is when Z is an odd number. All this is when Z is an odd number. I hope the idea is clear. Out of 45 terms, wherever minus C, that will get cancelled. 14, 18, 20. 45 minus 20. Remaining how many terms are there? 25 terms are there for this question. Please see this question. Ask me in case if you got any doubts. A plus B plus C power 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 balls are kept in a line. There are 10 gaps. So 10C2 is 45. This will give you 45 terms. Plus, 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 plus. Plus, 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 plus. 45 terms will be there. It is k into minus 1 power z, a power x, b power y, c power z. Sum of the powers should be equivalent to the power in the expression 8. Z should be odd because it is minus z. Z is odd. Any odd number is of the form 2k plus 1. Sir, can I take 2k minus 1? Yes. Take it and stop it at k value, right, depending upon the question. I hope it is clear. Start with k value 1 if it is 2k minus 1. Start with k value 0 if it is 2k plus 1. If k is 0, x plus y equivalent to 7. X and y are the powers. Powers can take 0. 7 plus 2, 9. There will be 8 gaps. 8, 6, 4, 2. I hope it is clear. I hope the idea it is clear. I hope the idea it is clear. Now, next one. Find the number of positive terms in the expansion of a plus b minus c power 2009. All are level 3 questions, sir. Listen carefully to every question. I write solution. Listen carefully, sir. A plus b minus c power 2009. 2009. Generic term will be k into a power x, b power y minus c power z. It is nothing but k into minus 1 power z into a power x and b power y. That means x plus y plus z. It is nothing but 2009. 2009. Am I right? So, 2009 is x plus y plus z. It is nothing but 2009. So, 2009 means 2009 plus 3, 2012. So, it is 2011 too. These are nothing but the total terms. These are nothing but the total terms minus if z is odd. Z is odd. I will get a negative term. I will get a negative term. I hope the idea is clear. Z is odd. I will get a negative term. K into a power x, b power y and c power z. So it is k into minus 1 power z plus into a power x into k power y. Till here clear, right? Into c power z, sir. Into c power z. Into c power z. Now we will solve. Now positive only, right? So I think you don't need to do all this. Directly y to do negative. Directly z value even we will make. This is 2009. So the generic term will be k into a power x into b power y into minus c power z. This is k into minus 1 power z into a power x into b power y into c power z. If z is even, why to do inverse approach? Z is even, I will get all the positive terms. So, x plus y plus z, it is nothing but 2009. X plus y, it is nothing but 2009 minus 2z. I hope it is clear. So, minus 2z. If z is 0, I will get x plus y equivalent to 2009. 2009 plus 2, 2011. I hope it is clear. Z can be 2, Z can be 4, Z can be and so on up to 1004 it can take. 1004. So, x plus y, it is nothing but 2005. X plus y, it is nothing but 4 decrease 2001. Z is 2004. X plus y equivalent to 1. It is nothing but 1 plus 0 or 2009, 2005. All will be decreasing. So, last value 0 to 4. It is nothing but 2004. 2009 minus 2008. It is x plus y equivalent to 1. Now see here, sir. Like that it will continue. 2009 means 2009 plus 2, 2011. 2011 means I got 2010. Positive integral solution. 2005 plus 2, 2007. I hope it is clear, right? 2007. It is nothing but 2007. Where it is missing? Why it is? Z value, what it is? K into a power x into b power y into minus c power z minus, I want positive terms. Positive means z will be even. So z is, okay, if z is even, 2, 4, 6, okay. 2009, it is 2010. 2005 plus 2, it is nothing but 2007, and so on up to all these things. I hope the idea it is clear. Idea it is clear. Idea it is clear. I think I kept negative terms. Okay, now I understood the question, sir. A plus b minus c power 2009. I hope the idea is clear. K into a power x into b power y into minus c power z. X plus y plus z is 2009. Z will be even. So it will be all plus 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 plus. So x plus y equivalent to 2009. 2009 minus z minus, now I understood the mistake, sir. I hope it is clear. So these are nothing but, here there is a small calculation mistake. It is z. For z, I should give even values. I should give even values. I hope you have understood these nothing but z value 0. It is x plus y equivalent to 2009, which is nothing but 2010. If z equivalent to 2, these nothing but x plus y equivalent to 2007. 2007 is, it is 2008. If z equivalent to 3, it is nothing but 2006. 2006 plus 2 is 2006 plus 2. So it is 2008. I hope it is nothing but z is 2, z is 4, it is. Z is 4 is 2005. It is nothing but 2006, and so on. Last one will be 2008. If I take x plus y equivalent to 1, I will get 2 cases. 2 cases. It is 2 ones are 2. It is 2005s are 2010. Sum of n consecutive even numbers. N consecutive even numbers is given by n into n plus 1. So answer is 1005 into 1006. Kindly reply in the live chat if it is clear to you. A plus b minus c power 2009. Generic term will be k into a power x, b power y minus c power z. Positive means z should be even. X plus y plus z equivalent to 2009. X plus y is 2009 minus z. From z to 2008. Z 0. 2009. 2009 plus 2 is 2011. So I will get 2010. Z is 2 because z is an even number. Z should be an even number. Z is 2. 2007 plus 2, 2009. 2009 balls are there, 2008. From 2 to 2010, all are even numbers. 2 ones are, 2005s are. Sum of n consecutive even numbers is given by n into n plus 1. So 1005 into 1006. I hope the idea it is clear. For us to understand it effectively, let us also do number of negative terms. Number of negative terms. Then I am sure it will be crystal clear to you. Find the number of negative terms in the expansion. Let us do. So these nothing but solution. A plus b minus c power 2009. The generic term will be k into a power x, b power y and minus c power z. These nothing but k into minus 1 power z into a power x, b power y, c power z. Negative means z should be an odd number. Z should be an odd number. Sum of the powers x plus y plus z, it should be 2009. So x plus y is nothing but 2009 minus z. Minus z. If z value is 1, x plus y equivalent to 2008 it is. 2008 plus 2, 2010. That means I will get 2009. First solution. Next one, z is an odd number. Z is 3. X plus y equivalent to 2006. 2006 plus 2, 2008. I got 2007. Z equivalent to 5, which is nothing but x plus y equivalent to 2004, which is nothing but 2005, and it goes on up to 1. This is nothing but 2 into 0 plus 1. This is nothing but 2 into 1000, 2 into 1 minus 1. Now, if I will write down here like this. Once you understand, these are all easy questions, sir. It is nothing but 2 into 1 minus 1. This is nothing but 2 into 1005 minus 1. All are odd numbers. Sum of n consecutive odd numbers. Sum of n consecutive odd numbers. It is n square. From 1 to 1005. Answer is 1005 square. Kindly reply in the live chat if it is clear to you. Right? A plus b minus c power 2009. Generic term is k into a power x into b power y into minus c power z. It is k into minus 1 power z into a power x into b power y into z. I want negative. Negative means z should be an odd number. X plus y plus z is 2009. X plus y is 2009 minus z. Z is 1. 2008. 2008, the powers can take 0. So add 2. 2010. I got 2009 for the first one. Second one, z is 3. All are odd numbers. 2006 plus 2. 2008. 2008 balls are there. So it will be 2007. From 1 to 2009, total there are 1005 odd numbers I am adding. Sum of n consecutive odd numbers is always n square. So how many negative terms are there in this expansion? It is nothing but 1005 whole square. I hope the idea it is clear. Once you solve models of the same problem, it will become very easy for you. First problem, there could be some layers where you might not understand it. Second, it will be little more clear. Third, it will be very clear. Fourth, you can solve it in less than 1 minute. Next one. Now see here. Find the number of positive terms. Now, the idea will be extremely clear to you. Find the number of positive terms. Generic term will be k into a power x, b power y, and minus c power z. It is also minus. It is also minus. Right? So, it is nothing but k into minus 1 power y into minus 1 power z minus 1 power y plus z into a power x into b power y into c power z. This is what? Now see, sum of the powers x plus y plus z equivalent to 2009. First step is clear. Positive terms, that means y plus z should be even. Am I right? Y plus z should be even. Idea is clear, right? If y plus z, if it is even, what will be the answer? X plus 2k1 equivalent to, okay. If it is even, let us Still we will make it y plus z even. If this is even, this will be an odd number. Odd plus even, it is also odd number. So this is nothing but y plus z. So 2k1 equivalent to 2009 minus x. I hope it is clear. So x is an odd number. If x is 1, 2k1 equivalent to 2008. K1 equivalent to 1004. Are you all with me? What is K1? Y plus Z equivalent to 1004. Is the idea clear? Y plus Z is 2009 minus x. Y plus Z is even. Only when y plus Z is even, minus 1 square it will become 1. Right? Y plus Z even, x is odd. X is 1. So y plus z is 1004. 1004 plus 2, 1006. I got 1005. First value. If x is 2, if x is 1, odd number, right? 2 cannot be taken. 3. 2k1 equivalent to 2009 minus 3, 2006. So k1 is nothing but 1003. Y plus z is nothing but 1003. 1003 plus 2, 1005, which is nothing but 1004. 1004. Sum of all the consecutive numbers till 1. Sum of all the consecutive numbers is given by n into n plus 1 by 2. So answer is 1005 into 1006 by 2. 1005 into 1006 by 2. Kindly reply in the live chat if this concept is clear to you. Kindly reply, sir. K into a power x into minus b power y into minus c power z minus 1 power y plus z into a power x into b power y into c power z. Because it is a positive term, y plus z should be an even number. If this is an even number, something plus even is odd, x should be an odd number. X should be an odd number. Y plus z is 2k1. 2k1 is 2009 minus x. X is 1. I got k1 as 1004. Y plus z is 1004. 1004 plus 2 is 1006. 1006 means 1005 gaps. X is 3. 2k1 is 2006. K1 is 1003. Y plus z is 1003. Answer is 1004. And so on up to 1. These are nothing but 1 plus 2 plus 3 till 1005. Sum of n consecutive numbers is n into n plus 1 by 2. N into n plus 1 by 2. I hope the idea it is clear. I hope the idea it is clear. Right? I hope the idea it is clear. What we will do is, we will do one more question. Forget about this one. A minus b plus c power 60. Find the number of, two more examples so that it will be clear to you. Find the number of positive terms and find the number of negative terms. Find the number of positive terms and the number of negative terms. Listen carefully, sir. Two more problems I am solving so that you will not get any doubt. Problem 1. Number of positive terms. Number of positive terms. These are nothing but generic term will be k into a power x into, right, minus b power y into c power z. These are nothing but k into minus 1 power y into a power x into b power y into c power z. I want positive terms. Positive terms is y should be an even number. So x plus y plus z, it is nothing but 60. It is nothing but 60. Y is an even number. So x plus z is nothing but 60 minus y. If y can be 0, x plus z is nothing but 60. 60 plus 2, 62. First answer is 61. Y is an even number. Y equivalent to 2. X plus Z equivalent to 58. 58 is nothing but 59. Y is nothing but 4. X plus Z is nothing but 56, which is nothing but 57, and so on up to 1. These is nothing but 2 into 1 minus 1. These is nothing but 2 into 31 minus 1. From 1 to 31, 31 odd numbers I am adding. Number of positive terms will be 961. Number of positive terms will be 961. I hope the idea it is clear. Very easily you can solve it if you understand 31 square as a 961. What is the another concept that I am using? Sum of n consecutive odd numbers. N consecutive odd numbers, which is nothing but n square. Sum of n consecutive odd numbers, it is nothing but n square. I hope it is clear, right? Next one. A minus b plus c power 60. Number of negative terms. Number of negative terms. Number of negative terms. Number of negative terms. See here. It is nothing but k into a power x into minus b power y into c power z. This is k into minus 1 power y into a power x into b power y into c power z. I want negative, so y should be an odd number. X plus y plus z, it is nothing but 60. If y is an odd number, this will become x plus z equivalent to nothing but 60 minus y. Y is an odd number. Y can be 1, y can be 3, and y can be 59. 59. Y x plus z is nothing but 59. 59 is nothing but 60. Y is 3. X plus z is nothing but 58, which is nothing but 57 it is. 57 is nothing but 58. Y is 59. X plus z is nothing but 1, which is nothing but 2. So the values are 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on up to 60. These are nothing but 2 ones are 2. It is nothing but 2 30s are. Sum of n consecutive odd even numbers is n into n plus 1. Answer is 930. Answer is 30 into 31. 30 into 31 is 930. 930. Because for it to become a negative term, only y odd number will give you negative. Minus 1 power odd number can only give you negative. I hope it is clear. Right? I hope it is clear. Idea clear, right? Next question. Right? If any calculation mistakes are there, please take it. The expression x plus y plus z power 2006. How many terms will be there? Total number of terms will be 2006 plus 3, 2009. This will be 2008 C2. Next it is x minus y minus z power 2006. This is nothing but k into x power a into minus y power b into minus z power c. This is nothing but k into minus 1 power b plus c into x power a into y power b into z power c. Minus 1 power b plus c. Now see here. Now see. Negative terms should be eliminated. So b plus c should be odd. B plus c should be odd. A plus b plus c should be 2006. should be 2006. So A plus B plus C is 2K plus 1 equivalent to 2006. A is nothing but 2005 minus 2K. 2005 minus 2K. Right? 2005 minus 2K. I hope it is clear. Now it is nothing but A plus B plus C is 2006. B plus C is odd. It should be cancelled. So if it is K, if it is A plus B plus C, sir, A plus B plus C, A is nothing but 2005 minus 2K. So K is nothing but 0. It is nothing but A is nothing but 2005. One solution. K is nothing but 1. 1 is nothing but A is another solution is 2005 minus 2. 2003. Any another is nothing but, right? K is 2. K is 2 is nothing but A is 2001. Okay. I think what we'll do is, instead of doing for A, now see here, we will do it for B plus C so that we will get the answer. Otherwise, we have to do it for B plus C again. B plus C is odd. If this is an odd number, 2006 is an even number. This should also be an odd number. This should also be an odd number. That means A plus B plus C, it is nothing but 2006. This is nothing but 2006. A is nothing but greater than or equivalent to 0. B is nothing but greater than or equivalent to 0. Now see, B plus C is nothing but 2006 of minus of 2K plus 1. B plus C of B plus C is 2005 minus 2K. So K can be 0. B plus C is 2005. 2005 is nothing but 2007 balls are there. 2006 cases. K is 1 is there. B plus C is 2003. 2005. Last case is, if K is 1002, B plus C is 1. 1 is 1 plus 2. So answer is 1003 into 1004. I hope the idea it is clear. 1003 into 1004. I hope the idea it is clear. I hope you got the idea of how I am simplifying the question based on the powers. I am simplifying the question based on the powers. I hope the idea is clear.